Hello everyone! Welcome back to Kazakh lessons. Today we will talk about what we can do and can't do. For example, men sekire alamyn. I can jump. Men júgire alamyn. I can run. Now, if we want to say that I cannot jump or I cannot run, we will make sentence like men sekire almaımyn. Men júgire almaımyn. And a question. For example, sen ne isteği alasyň? What can you do? Or you can ask, sen sekire alasyň ba? Can you jump? You can answer to that. Ya sekire alamyn. Жоқ, sekire almaymyn. Yes, I can jump. No, I cannot jump. Now let's go through ordinal numbers. Rettik san есім. First, birinshi. Second, ekinshi. Third, úshinshi. Fourth, tórtinshi. Fifth, besinshi. Sixth, altynshy. Seventh, jetinshi. Eighth, segizinshi. Ninth, toġyzynshy. Tenth, onynshy. You just add sh at the end of the number.